Hey, hello everyone. Let me show you today how to reset the service due message of the Nissan Qashqai. In my case, it's production year 2013. So we have 220 right now. It's about 7 years old. Once you turn on the car, you would see this message here. Service due now. And it's pretty annoying. You would see it every time, and it wouldn't go away usually before you have to push this information button one time so that it goes away like this. So if it doesn't go away, you cannot see your speed limiter and some important information you would need on your way while you're driving. So it's pretty annoying. I mean, you have to do your service like in a regular manner. In my case, I will do it shortly, very soon, in a few days, but I don't want to be annoyed by this message. So anyways, and it will be blinking like this. You see this range there, and this yellow alarm sign will be also at the beginning there. I think later it disappears. Let's go. Like with many models, with many makes, it's sometimes somehow complicated, There are some hidden features, functions. In case with Qashqai, you have these two sticks here, left and right. You have to reach out to the right stick and start to rotate it. It doesn't rotate. No, it rotates actually, but it doesn't affect anyhow the screen. Let's push it. Now we pushed it. Oh yeah, now you can see the menu. This is important. In the menu, go rotate to the right until you reach maintenance. And click then, push it slightly, and it will go into this menu category. Now you will have here on top service. I would think here you could reset it. If you go there, it just only shows that your service due counter is at 0 kilometers, whatever. It would not allow you to do anything else than just watching this message here. So basically, just go back. Tire. No, actually, like in this model, we don't have any tire controlling system here. So I don't know exactly how it works here. Maybe you can set some kind of counter for tires to know how many kilometers you drove, when you have to change your tires, whatever. Doesn't matter. Go to the other sub-menu. This is the most important thing here. We go to the other, like this, and you have an option here, reset. This is really important in our case. Let's go for it. Yeah, I just basically clicked it once. It went back to the back. Let's do it again just for sure. It doesn't go into this sub-menu. It just goes back to the back, to the back item. Let's go back, okay. This way, and again, exit the menu. Well, this range is still blinking somehow. I'm not sure that we have resetted it. Let's try to turn off the car, take out the key, put in the key again. Service due now. What the fuck? That shouldn't be like this. Let's click once, rotate again. Now it would allow us to rotate. Come on. We want to go there. Factory. What is a factory? Default. Factory defaults. Okay, let's go for factory defaults. Oh, I think it went to the factory defaults, right? Does it still blink? No, it doesn't blink. That's nice. Does it mean that we have resetted it? Wow, cool. It doesn't blink. It's really nice. So basically what I did right now, I just discovered this thing, you know. I went to the menu. I assumed, come on, let me go inside. And I assumed once you go there to other and reset this thing, you know, maybe you have to push longer, you know. Just, yeah, maybe, I don't know how this reset works. Maybe you have to, let's try this one. No, it doesn't work. Okay, anyways, the solution is you have to go to the factory settings and then reset the factory settings to the default. It actually didn't change my time here, what is really nice. Otherwise, I don't want to really set up the time right now. And yeah, it looks great. It doesn't blink anymore, what is really amazing. Great. So we have found solution. I don't know what's the official way to reset the counter, the service due counter, whatever. Anyways, thumb up for our discovery today. That's really great. And have a safe ride all the time. Bye bye.